A particle of mass m moves in the x direction as it follows. At t equal to 0, x equal to 0. At t equal to 1, x equal to 1. Remaining information not we are having, and alpha is the instantaneous acceleration. Then by using this information, you explain the given conditions. Here ABCD options given. First, what happening in this case we are taking. Now, here this is the time and this is the velocity. So at t equal to 0, x equal to 0 given. Here you take this t equals to 1 second. At that time, here what is the x value? X also 1 meter. So this is the information. So finally what happening? Initially also it is at rest. After 1 second also it is at rest. That is the information. So initially what happening? Acceleration increasing. So what happens? Velocity reaches maximum. Again what happening? After some time, again it is reaching to 0. 0 means what? Definitely again retardation. So that is happening. So this is the maximum velocity. This is my maximum velocity. So from here to here what happening? Acceleration increasing. So from here to here what happening? Acceleration what happening? Opposite direction increasing. Means what? It is giving motion to rest. Here increasing velocity, here decreasing velocity. Due to that only initially rest reaching maximum velocity. After reverse direction what happening? It is reaching to initial position 0. Initial position rest. So at 1 second what happening? Again it is coming to rest. That is happening. So here what happening in this total duration? This is half second and this is half second. Here what is the displacement? 1 meter. Here velocity given. So this is the time and this is the velocity curve. Velocity time curve occupying area with x-axis. That gives what? This is velocity and this is the time. Velocity time curve occupying area gives what? Displacement. Why? What is the velocity? Rate of change of displacement and again into displacement. Like this assuming only. Finally what I am getting? X. X means what? Displacement. So displacement equal to velocity into time. Like that also. So we are taking velocity time curve occupying area. Here what is this? One triangle created. You take this A point and you take this B point. Now what happens? Area equals to half into B into H. Here what is the B? What is the B? 1 second. And what is the height? V maximum. Half into B into H. Again this total area equal to how many meters? 1 meter. So 1 equals to 1 by 2 into V maximum. So what happens? V maximum? V maximum that equals to 2 meter per second. That equals to 2 meter per second. So here what is the maximum velocity? 2 meter per second. So what happens here? From 0 to 2 meter per second it is reaching. After reverse direction it is reaching to 0. So in this duration what is the acceleration I am finding? What is the formula for acceleration? V minus u by t. Here V means what? V maximum. What is the V maximum? 2. Initially it is starting from rest 2. So 0. Again time. So in this what is the time? Of 1 by 2. So finally what I am getting? 4 meter per second square. So from here to here what happening? Acceleration must be minimum 4 meters per second square, or maybe it increases, but below that not goes because it is reaching maximum velocity. After what happening? Reverse direction it is reaching to 0. So that is happening. With all these things he had given in the points. So what are those points that I am writing? Alpha cannot be remain positive at all the time interval. Why? Year to year positive value, year to year negative value. So in 0 to 1 second totally not positive. That correct one. Again alpha must be greater than or equal to 0 at some point or parts in its path. Correct one. From year to year it minimum 4 meter per second square or more than that. Below 4 meter per second square not possible. From 0 to A. Again from A to D what happens? Alpha must be change sign during the motion. Which is motion? A to B. But no other assertion can be made with the significant, with the information given. Correct on year to year negative, year to year positive. Minimum 4 meters per second square or more than that. Reaching from O to A. Again reaching from A to B, reverse direction. So what is the maximum acceleration? Minimum 4 meters per second square from year to year. More than that also possible because that is instantaneous acceleration here given. Correct on. Here reverse one, opposite direction. So again another important point, in the total 0 to 1 second, always positive not possible. Why? Year to year positive, year to year negative. So in the total duration not possible. 0 to half second increasing possible. Remaining from half to 1 reverse direction possible. Total 0 to 1 second not possible to explain. Like that. Explain is not in the same way not possible to explain. So that is the question.